Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're in CSWE tutorial series. So we have up to this point we have solved a couple of questions regarding part modification and surface modifications. So if you haven't checked those problem types, let's just go ahead and check my YouTube channel or also the description of this tutorial. So these are the important topics that we are going to practice all together. Okay, we have solved these questions before, and now it's time to solve the question number 3. It's a common, the combine common. Over here, we need to use a couple of combining options. We'll try to identify the geometry that we need to use this simple geometry, and we need to get the geometry something like this using a couple of combining options, combining tools, let's say. Okay, so since we have the part there like this, and we need to get the part this, and we have already material defined or not, let's go ahead and try to define material, plain carbon steel. Okay, so we have plain carbon steel defined. So what is the central mass of this part? As you see, part looks like yeah, we need to, first of all, we need to get the geometry something like this. In order to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the direct editing tools tab, and I'll use move copy bodies. Okay, I'll select the body as well, and I'll rotate the body around the y-axis and 90 degree, let's say. Just make sure that you select check copy option. Let's click OK. So we have the body something like this. Now we need to use combine options. As you see, we have common geometries, right? Common volumes. So that's what we need over here right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use combine. So I'm gonna use the common option. I'll select this tool. You can see the preview. Looks nice, right? So it's easy to. You just need to understand which tools you need to use in order to get the geometry, something like this. So easy question. Let's just go ahead and try to see the central, mass properties. And 63.14 grams is the correct answer. Okay, it's the correct answer. Let's go ahead and check next question. So next question is we don't need to move forward. Let's say from the question from the previous question, we can't get this geometry from this geometry. So we need to go back. This is like a question type that you might need to see. Okay, so the two geometries common. What we need to do again, we need to combine them together. Let's add together, preview, looks nice. Let's click OK. So again, we need to get rid of this side. So it's easy, just front plane and open a new sketch. Let's select only this profile. Let's go ahead and use convert entities. Okay. And again, let's try to use cut surface, extrude cut to this two direction. Let's go ahead and try to use mid plane. And I'm gonna drag and click OK. So this is first. And again, select the right plane and open a new sketch and select this, and just let's convert entities. Again, let's use extrude cut, and as an option, let's say use mid plane, and just right click and select. So this is how you just need to spend some time to understand the question and the requirement of the question, and the solving is just easy. You need to use splitting command, you need to use combine command, and a couple of times. That's it. Okay, so the mass of this part is 483.33 grams is the correct answer. Okay, these two questions. I'll have more questions regarding combine common. See you in the next tutorial.